Welcome back to my channel. My name is Vial, and in today's video I'm going to show you 5 different ways to letter June. So let's go ahead and get started. In here I have printed my worksheet and I'm going to be using 5 different pens that go with each of the styles that I'm going to show you in this worksheet. I'll also be adding all the links to every pen that I'm going to be using here. The first pen I'm going to be using is Paper Made Enjoy, and this is for the first style that I'm going to be doing, which is Faux Calligraphy. I have 2 other video tutorials where I show you step by step how you can do Faux Calligraphy, but basically what you do is first you letter the word that you want to do with Faux Calligraphy, as I'm doing here, and then the second step is that you will be adding outlines to the downstrokes, and the downstrokes is every time you move your pen downward. And then the last step that you will do is to fill in the downstrokes. And now this is a personal preference, because you can always leave it like this, or if you want to achieve the same look as regular calligraphy, you can go ahead and fill in the downstrokes. As you can see here, I sped up this part of the video because this is the style that's going to take you the longest, but the good thing is that you can do it with any pen that you have available. The next pen I'm going to be using is the Tombow Fudenowski brush pen, and this one is purple, and this is the second way to letter June in the modern calligraphy style. To give you a quick tip, every time your pen goes up, make sure you don't put any pressure, and then when your pen goes down, you put heavy pressure on your brush pen. This is how you're going to achieve the thin upstrokes and the thicker downstrokes. And another tip is to make sure that you go slow. Right here I'm doing real-time lettering. For the third way to letter June, I'm going to be using this Kelly Creates small brush pen, and the style that I'm going to be doing is called bounce lettering. So the difference with the modern calligraphy style is that with the bounce lettering, some of the downstrokes go past the baseline. Same as with the modern calligraphy style, I'm going to use light pressure on the upstrokes and then heavy pressure on the downstrokes. And then the difference is that in the U, for example, my downstroke is going to go past the baseline, and it's going to be the same thing with the N here. That's why it's called bounce lettering, because some of the letters are bouncing off the page. The fourth way that we're going to letter June is with a flourished calligraphy style, and basically we're going to add some embellishments to the bottom of the J and the bottom of the N. I almost forgot to tell you, but I'm using the Zebra Foam Wadi brush pen for this 4-way to letter June. And the last pen I'm going to be using is the Le Pen Frex Marvin Uchida small brush pen. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but the fifth style that we're going to be using is block lettering. Same as with the previous style, light pressure on the upstrokes and heavy pressure on the downstrokes, and as you are practicing, this is always good to keep in mind, so you always get those thick downstrokes and thin upstrokes. And I hope you found this video helpful. One thing you want to keep in mind is to make sure you print this worksheet on quality paper, and I'm gonna put the link to it down below. It has to be at least 28 pounds or above, or you can also use a tracing paper and you print it on regular paper. Use this tracing pad to put underneath it, that way you only have to print the worksheet once and practice as many times as you want. And this is because regular printed paper is gonna damage your pens, so you just want to make sure that you use quality paper when you're practicing with your brush pens. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel.